Hi, hello guys, welcome to my channel Jobs Free Job Search. Today we have job updates from the companies like CONTUS, from DXC Technology, from QUALCOMM, and from the JP Morgan, and also from the Phonepe. Let's get into the details of each one. Okay, the Phonepe is hiring for the advisor role, and the location is of the Bangalore. And coming to the mandatory educational and experience related, any graduate can apply for this role, but the graduation is compulsory, and the minimum of 0 years or the maximum of 2 years of experience is required. And coming to the skills required, you should be able to speak in English and Hindi, and you should be having good written and communication skills and verbal skills, and you should be good at the multilingual skills like writing and reading in that languages, and most probably preferable are the South Indian languages. And coming to the, there are some benefits, that is it is a 5-day working week and 2 rotational week offs, and you will be having the benefits like insurance benefits, wellness program, parental support, mobility benefits, retirement benefits, and other benefits. Okay, if you are eligible for the job role, you can apply for the job role. And next one, it is from the JP Morgan and Co. Okay, it is hiring for the software engineer in the Java full lead. And coming to the skills required, any BS or BA degree or equivalent experienced candidates can apply for the job role, but you should be having good knowledge in the Java, core Java, J2W. If you have the good knowledge in these fields, then you can get the job easily. Okay, if you are eligible, apply for the job role. Coming to the Qualcomm, it is hiring for the associate engineer or system test engineering, and the experience required is the maximum of 1 year of experience in the software engineering field, and you should be having good knowledge in the C, C++, or C Sharp or Python. If you have good knowledge in these programming languages, it will be advantage for you in the selection process, and also you should be having some good experience in the debugging embedded system. And minimum qualifications required are the bachelor's degree in engineering, information science, computer science, or any related field. And the compulsory skills required are the C or Python or parallel shell scripting. Okay, if you have this eligibility, then you can apply for this job role. And next one, it is from the DXC Technology, and it is hiring for the technical voice support. The maximum experience required is of 2 years, and the educational qualifications is high school diploma or 12th standard. Passed candidates can apply for this job role. Even you are fresher, you can apply for the job role, but you should be having good communication skills, and you should be good at the English speaking and writing, and you should be having good teamwork. And it is a shift rotational work and also the work from office. If you are eligible and if you are interested, then then you can apply for the job role. Next one, it is from the CONTUS. It is hiring for the Python developers, and the location is of Chennai. um, and any freshers or experienced candidates can apply. They have mentioned it like less than 1 year, 1 to 2 years. Okay, any candidate can apply for the job role, anyone can apply, but you should be having good knowledge and good experience with the Python, Django, Flask, and PostgreSQL. Okay, and also you should be good at the HTML, JavaScript, shell script, Git, networking. If you have these skills, then you can apply for this job role, and it will be easy for you to get this job. Okay, these are all the job updates today. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more job updates. Thank you.